Hi guys, today it's finally decorate day for the St. Patty's tree. I'm going to show you the cute little DIY that I did. I'll link the video. I just made this cute little jar of gold. I put some sea moss down there at the bottom and these cute little gold coins, and then I just added this little ribbon here with this dangling from it, and then I just added this ribbon to hang onto a tree branch. So we've got 5 of these. This here I got from Hobby Lobby. There was a welcome sign. I just cut those off, and then I pre-made all these cute bows. I've got the suede like tannish color, and I wanted some gold and green, so I think these will be really cute. And then I will just layer these through the tree. This one here I'll probably put at the tree topper. I got this here from Hobby Lobby also. It just had a kind of an ugly bow here, so I just pulled that off and then pre-made my own. So it's got a long tail, and we'll also layer that through the tree.
Hi.
And there we have it for our St. Patty's Day tree. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. We'll see you guys in the next one.